what he's saying.
It's very good and tasty. Sham is good at giving exercises. He fell asleep. Assalamu alaikum and Travaite. Today I'm going to show you guys my everyday routine, how every day I'm managing alone with my little boy Jacob, and I'm going to show you his routine and my routine as well, how I'm doing everything alone. When Hisham returned from work, then he will help me, but for now I'm alone at home, so let's see guys how I'm doing everything alone. He can wake up any moment, so I have to be like a superhero. Hurry up, do everything. So every day I take Jacob from our room to living room, so he's there, and very hurry I will fix our room. Recently, I uploaded a video on my social accounts where I said that I was lucky to have such a supportive husband who helped me so much during my pregnancy and postpartum. It received a lot of comments and many people start debating. A lot of them said he's not Asian, that's why, implying that Asian husband wouldn't do the same. So let's talk about that. Now he's sleeping and I clean. Everything is okay. Kitchen, everything I clean. And now I'm going to eat. Um, I make me here roti. This I get frozen and then I just fry them at home here for biryani. And I'm going to make biryani. And I don't know when people will stop judging entire countries or culture based on the action of few individuals. Whenever they see something positive or negative from a different culture, they start comparing and blaming others. I have learned very important thing. I never judge an entire nation by a few people. I would never say that every European man is kind, just as I would never say that every Asian man is bad. People are individuals and their character is what matters, not their nationality. When I said I was lucky, I meant that I was lucky to marry a genuinely good person. My husband supported me throughout my pregnancy and postpartum because he is a good person, not simply because he is European. The same is true everywhere. Any good man will be willingly to help his wife and support his family, whether he is Asian, European, African, or from anywhere else. Likewise, if someone is not a good person, that doesn't mean everyone from their country or culture is the same. Everything is finished. I cook, clean, fed him, clean him, and he slept. And a very good thing about him is that when he is sleeping, you can do literally everything. You can clean, you can make noise, you can talk, you can do anything, and nothing will wake him up. But when he get hungry and something, then he will wake up. Otherwise, he will be sleeping so peacefully. That is so good of him, and I hope it's remain the same. Now I'm going to have me time. We'll watch something, and we'll wait for Hisham to come home, and then we'll eat together. So he woke up, and I didn't have me time now. Now Hisham came and I will get rest. Now it's Hisham's turn. Whenever I give him a tummy time, he fell asleep. Hisham is good at giving exercises and doing tummy time. Okay, so Hisham will take care of Jacob now and I will go to kitchen. Oh, Hisham, are you hungry? Yeah. Okay, I will prepare. It's very good and tasty.
What he's saying.
Like I know his language.
What you saying? What you saying? Where is his thing?
And he's good. Hisham came and he haven't sat. and doing this, doing that with his son.
Yeah.
You missed him,
Probably.
and you
Get him more like
turn on the AC. Here I just turn it off because I got headache.
I try.